Okay, so this is just a quick video to show you how to save your final poster as a JPEG. So at the moment, this is a Photoshop file. And if you want someone to be able to open that doesn't have access to Photoshop, you need to be able to save it as a JPEG, which is just a flat image. So in order to be able to do that, you need to click on File, and you need to click on Export and then Export As. So that's the section that you want to get to. When you do that, you'll get this pop-up box, and you should see your poster in the middle. Up the top here, you need to make sure that JPEG is selected. And then you need to drag it over so it says high, so we're in the highest quality possible. And none of the other settings need to be changed. My screen's a little bit small, but you can see there's the export button down the bottom. So I'm going to click on that export. And then what you will get is a pop-up box. So I'm going to call this poster practice Miss M. So I'm going to pop my name on there, and I'd like you to do the same. So call it poster practice and then pop your name there. You will then need to make sure you save it to your Google Drive. If your Google Drive is not set up, you need to make sure it's set up on your computer and then save it to your Google Drive. Don't save it in your downloads or documents because it could get lost on the school computers. So make sure your Google Drive's set up. You should know how to do that by now. If not, go onto Google Classroom and look at the tutorials that were there from our Illustrator learning. I'm just going to save it in my downloads because my Google Drive is not set up at the moment. And then I'm just going to press save. So if I now go to my downloads folder, so if I go to Windows and I click on where I've saved it to, so obviously you should have saved it in your Google Drive, it will come up in here. So if I click on poster practice here, which is what I've just saved, you can now see that that is a JPEG image, and that is now what you can use to upload to Google Classroom.